Timeless Photography has an interesting, often updated blog. And one of the coolest features they use on that blog is the option they provide to pin any of their photos directly to Pinterest. Pinning photos to Pinterest is not a built-in feature of Weebly, so their inclusion of this option begs the question: how'd they do that? It's simple to do. All that's necessary is adding a bit of code from Pinterest to your own site. To get started, go to Pinterest's own Pin It button page. You can find this page by going to the address shown on the screen, or simply by Googling the words Pinterest Pin It button, and it'll be the first or second result that comes up. Now scroll down this page and select the option to make a Pin It button. Pinterest provides 3 different button types. Select the last of these, called Image Hover. Now you can change the appearance of the button. You can alter the size, the shape, the color, and the language the button uses. You can preview how this button is going to look by scrolling over the sample image provided by Pinterest. Once you're happy with your button, scroll down the page a bit until you happen upon a section called Copy the Code. Then select and copy the code from this section. Now you'll need to edit your site in Weebly, go to Settings, and choose SEO. Then paste the code you copied from Pinterest right in the header area of this section. Once you've done this, save your edition and publish the site. Now any image you've uploaded via our image, gallery, or slideshow elements will display a Pin It button in the upper left whenever someone hovers over it, allowing visitors to your site to share your images with their own followers on Pinterest. Keeping in mind that Pinterest will link back to your site automatically to make sure you get credit for the photos, making this a nice way to help increase traffic to your site. And that's how Timeless Photography did that.